Hey guys, welcome back to Frontend Mania, and today we are going to look at a simple button glowing animation. As you can see in this video, it's a simple button glowing animation, and if you click this button and it will do another animation like you can see in this video. And also let me show you an actual implementation of this button in one of my projects. And this is my personal website, and here is the button you see there, and this is the actual implementation of this button also. And now let us go to how to create this button. So firstly we go to the index.html file, and here is the index.html file, and here I just given a button, and inside the button I have given a class name called glow on hover, and a content of contact me. This is all you need to do in the index.html, nothing complicated. Now we go to the style.css file, and here is the style.css file, and here I just called the class name we given to the button, and here I have given a margin top of 200 pixel, and here is the margin top of 200 pixel, and margin left of 100 pixel. This is the margin left of 100 pixel, and a width to the button of 220 pixel, and a height of 50 pixel, and a border none, and outline none. So, and the color of the text in this button is triple that is nearly white, and background color is #111, and the cursor pointer, and the cursor is above the button. The cursor shapes changes into a pointer like you can see in this video, and the position relative property I have given, and set index 0, and the border radius 10 pixel. Since we give a border radius of 10 pixel, you can see this button is slightly curvy, and that looks nice. And here is the long hover before, and before the content is nil, and the background linear gradient is 45 degrees. There is multiple colors. These multiple colors are showing as glow, and position absolute property, and top to -2 pixel, and left to -2 pixel. Let me change it, and you can see the use of this. So I changed the top -2 pixel to 20 pixel, and now you can see that the top is a little bit large, and we don't need that much, and we just give the 2 pixel, and the background size to 400 percentage, and this we use in the keyframe animation, and the z index to -1, and let me give a syntax of 1, and you can see the change. So I change the z index to 1, and you can see that change. So you just give the index to -1. Okay, and the filter blur, and let me remove this property, and you can see the change. 1 pixel. So there is no much blur in the glowing animation, and that's not look nice, and we give a 5 pixel blur, so that's nice. And here we give the width and the height of the background, and width is calc 100% plus 4 pixel. This means 100% of the button's width and addition of 4%. And if we give a 400 pixel, and you can see this change. So the background is 400 pixel plus 100% of the button's width. We don't need that much, and we just need 100% plus 4. So that's that, and the height also same like the width. And here is an animation name, glowing is the animation name for this button, and the animation will complete in 20 seconds, and the animation will go in linear phase. And here is opacity 0 and transition opacity of opacity and zero point 0.3 seconds, and this is the ease in out property. Let me change this and you can see the use of this. I changed to 2 seconds and the transition will take 2 seconds to complete. So it's take 2 seconds to glow, and if you remove the cursor and it will take 2 seconds to remove the glow. So we don't need that and we just give the 0.3 seconds, sorry, 0.3 seconds. And the border radius 10 pixel. And here is the glow on hover active color hash 000 glow, and here is a glow on hover before opacity 1, and here is glow on hover after, uh, and here is another property. We just need glow on hover active after background transparent, that is when we click this button and the background will become transparent. Okay, and that is that property. And here is the glow on hover after we move the cursor into the button. This property also include with the before properties. Here is just the insert index -1 and the content nil, position absolute, and the width 100%, height 100%, background hash 111 and left 0. And let me change this and you can see the use of this. And here the left, so now you can see that the left is slightly 10 pixel more margin is given, and we don't need that and we just give the 0. So this is a 0 and border radius of 10 pixel. And here is the actual animation begins at a keyframe. We given a name called glowing, and the animation is like this. It will begin from the 0%. At the 0%, background position will be 0 0. That means it will be in, so let me reload this page. Okay, this at 0% the background position will be 0 0, and that means this. And at 50% the background position will be 400% 0. That means from here the animation will go to here, and from there the animation, you can if you focus on this you can see that the animation is going from here to here, and from after 50% of the time it will go from here to here. I know it's a bit complicated, and if you focus and you will clearly understand that. So let me explain once again. And the background position will be 0 0. That means this position. Okay, from this position this glowing will go to 400%, 400% and 0. That means from here to here. This 400% is from x-axis, and this 0 is y-axis. That is, here is the 0 of x-axis, and here will be the 400%, and we can see the 400%, and we that's you can see, and we can see only 100%. That's from here to here, and from after 50% completion, and the 50% will complete after 10 seconds, since we give a 20 seconds to complete this animation. After 10 seconds this background position from 400% 0 is a 400%. No, this is not a 400% 0. 400% 0 will be something far away from this. After completing, that will come from here to here. Okay, to 100% of 0 0, the actual position of the glowing animation. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video.